So bridal showers, family gatherings, nice dinner parties, decorating can cost as much as the food. Well, we're going DIY with the centerpieces to save some major cash. Camille Lewis Plummer of Expressive Solutions and Creations shows us how. How do we get started?
Okay, so first you want to have your main components, and there are 4 main components with centerpieces. You have your base, your vase, your fillers, which could be rocks, flowers, and then you have your outer accessories. So we already have some of our rocks already in place here, and we're going to take one of our floral pieces and just put it in there. The rocks are really for just a look, but then they're also for you to hold that in place. And you're just gonna, then you're gonna take your rocks or pebbles, and they come in all different types of colors, and then just put those in there. And then you're going to place them onto your base. A lot of times you can put a candle on top of this, a floating candle as well. So then you want to either shorten your floral piece or heighten your actual vase. So this vase is about 7 inches, and that's standard for a centerpiece size.
Okay, and we haven't touched on the exterior, so what are we going to do with these last pieces?
So here we have just some regular votive holders.
Okay.
We're just going to sit them there on top of your mirror. You have your votive candles, just drop those in there like so, and then just a couple extra little pieces in there just to add to the centerpiece and really to just match and bounce off the colors of your flowers. If you do not want to use the rocks and you just want that floating flower look, take you a little hot glue and a glue gun, some Gorilla Glue, because other glue will come apart once it gets wet if you decide to fill this up with water, and then just put it on there on the end and just stick it right in there.
Okay, and let's take the centerpiece next level when we add the water.
Okay, yes, so then you just take some regular water. It doesn't have to be anything special, anything colored, and you're going to just fill that up. You want to give it that floating look.
Okay.
And then it's just gonna kind of, sit in there like so. And then it's also going to give the look that it's floating at the bottom, coming up from the top.